Okay, on number 15, it says, suppose you are studying the growth of bacteria in biology class. The table shows the number of bacteria for n doubling periods. Your teacher asks you to predict the number of bacteria after 7 doubling periods. What would be your prediction? So we have the number of doubling periods at the top, and then we have the number of bacteria on the bottom. If we're looking at our 6th doubling period, we would have 256 billion bacteria. And then if we look at our 7th, which is what we were asked for, we would have 512 billion bacteria. So 512 is our prediction. We're doubling each time. On number 16, it says the measure of the central angle for each of the 4 regular polygons is shown below. Which expression best represents the measure of the central angle of a regular polygon having n sides? So we want to figure out which one of these expressions matches what we have going on in our table, and n is the number of sides. So if we look at answer choice B, we would do 360 divided by 3, because we have 3-sided figure. We have a triangle there, which is in fact 120. So that would be our 120 degrees. For our quadrilateral, we would do 360 divided by 4, because we have 4 sides, and that would give us our 90 degrees. For our pentagon, we would do 360 divided by 5, and that would give us our 72 degrees. And then for number 16, for our octagon, we would do 360 divided by 8. And that would, in fact, give us our 45 degrees, so our central angle. So the correct answer on number 16 is B. On number 17, we're identifying the incorrect in the following algebraic proof. So we have our statements on the left, reasons on the right. If you look carefully, the first mistake that we have, our 2 is not distributed properly when we do the distribution. So the incorrect step would be step number 2 because of our incorrect distribution. On number 18, it says which property justifies the given information. We have if segment MA is congruent to segment TH, then MA is equal to TH. So this is going to be our definition of congruent segments. Number 19 says which property justifies this given information. We have a picture, and we have angle MIL is congruent to angle LIK. So this one's going to be our angle bisector theorem. We have IL is bisecting angle MIK. And number 20, which property justifies the given information? If TE is congruent to AM, then AM is congruent to TE. That's going to be our symmetric property of equality. Equality.